Hello guys, welcome to Viology. Well, today I am bringing you into my breakfast room. I have turned basically my breakfast room into a movie theater type-ish ordeal. Welcome to Viology. So I'm gonna bring you in and show you what I have came up with. I was waiting for this and it finally came in the mail today. My daughter was super excited. So the first one right here, this is the Top Dog hot dog roller. So I wanted to do this 2 years ago and I never did get a chance. And I was just like, you know what? I am going to do it this year and get it over with. And also, so far, my husband and my kids absolutely love this. I come down in the mornings and I go ahead and set up the Top Dog roller and the chips, and I start the popcorn machine, the snow cone machine. That is something that would be new that my daughter can just start herself. On the other side, I have everything lined up. Their ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, drinks, the popcorn. They have different seasoning for the popcorn. They have Slim Jims. It's like almost everything that you can find at a movie theater that's here. It is one more thing that I am waiting for, and I'm not gonna put that up because I'm looking to replace this. So I'm gonna be taking this completely out of my home because what I'm looking for would absolutely work what I want to do. And then they will have the nacho station. So they will have the liquid nachos and also the chili and the hot tortillas. So that is the last thing I'm doing. Once I get that up and get that installed, I will bring that video back to let you know about it. This ice machine, we also did the unboxing to that, the review to that. So just look for that to be coming up behind this video a day or two after. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come and talk you through what my theater bar snack area looks like. So stay tuned. And why you got the machine crooked? So guys, hopefully you enjoyed my little thing that I decided to do with my little people. Since school was out, I decided to do it a little bit earlier. With everybody being in the home, I didn't have to get up and do so much cooking for lunch or dinner. Sometimes they'll just grab an egg roll and whatever, and they're fine. So guys, I hope you did enjoy my little bar. Please like, comment, share, and thumbs up my video. Don't forget, girlfriend is on TikTok. And on TikTok, I am Queen Theology. It will be here. I am absolutely loving TikTok. Absolutely loving TikTok. Also, you know, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Snapchat, I'm on Facebook, and here I am on YouTube. So guys, I'm about to enjoy my icing and my sausage cheese dog and egg roll. And until the next time, guys, bye.